This is the LoftyFiber raddle. We produce it in 6-inch sections, 4 and 2.5 inch. I have 3 6-inch sections here, and on this Wolf Pup, I need 18 inches weaving width. So I can just push them together. They fit together like a puzzle. Now what I'm going to show now is some clips that we make. These are for the Wolf Pups without the high castle tray. So we have these little clips that you can put on the end of your raddle. Usually use about 2 for every 6 inches. So to insert it, all I do is put it over shaft 1 here, and you just kind of rotate and press, and it should clip right on. And then push it down, snaps into place. So you've got a raddle ready to spread your warp. These have 4 slots per inch. I can also use the caps that we have, and the caps allow you to have a smooth place to rest your warp chain so it doesn't go through. You can also actually slide these caps like this to keep your warp securely spread in your raddle.